My Trailblazer gear shifter broke. This is my approach on how to fix it. I will show you if you want to try this at home. I really suggest you to watch the whole video first and then proceed at your own risk. First, remove the gearbox linkage using a 14mm wrench. Here you can see the broken part and the gearbox linkage. I will grind this side to remove the old retaining pin after removing the old plastic bushing. Carefully remove some material off the back side of the retaining pin to make it flat. Once the pin is flat, I place the link between a 14mm socket and a 4mm socket. The idea is to use the vise as a press to remove the pin. After very carefully press the pin, I completely remove it using a screwdriver. What I did is take the link to a hardware store and I ask for a bolt that fits inside the hole. Then I buy a nut and a washer. If you are able, you can do the same to be sure it fits on yours. Then, using a handsaw, I cut a piece of aluminum pipe to the measures I show you here. You can use any piece of pipe or tubing that you may have. The idea is to create a bushing for the link and a vase to tie the bolt without over-tightening the gearbox cable assembly in the car. Using a file, clean and round the edges. The bolt I found at the store was too long, so I had to cut it to length. When grinding the retaining pin, I did a small mark to know which side the head bolt needs to be. Then proceed to the assembly. First bolt, then the aluminum bushing, and then the washer and the nut. It should look like this. Then I disassembled the parts and covered the bolt with some thread sealant tape on the area where the bushing will be. Then went under the car to reassemble. Then tighten the bolt with a couple of 10mm wrenches. Give it a good snug, but not too much. It should look like this. As you can see, it works almost perfect. But there was some play on the link, so I wrapped some electrical tape around the bushing. And that's it. This repair costed me about 62 cents. You know there are some kits that you can buy to fix this, but they are made of plastic. I wanted to go with something stronger, so I did this. If you decided to do this fix, please comment below, subscribe and like or dislike the video. Thanks for watching.